I decided to get LASIK eye surgery because I had one-a-day contacts, which meant I needed to throw them out after each wear. And that was getting really costly. And I realized at a certain point that it would be more cost effective for me to get LASIK eye surgery than to continue down that path and having to buy contacts to just throw out every day. Also the bonus of getting to wake up in the morning and immediately see when you have LASIK eye surgery really helps. Not having to wear your glasses or your contacts, not having the problems of when you're working or out and about and something goes into your contacts and kind of ruins them, and then you are blind for the rest of the day. So really, all the benefits for me were in LASIK eye surgery. I researched a bunch of different LASIK places in New York, and I actually called a bunch of places as well. And when I called Dr. Moskowitz, the phone number from his website went straight to his cell phone, and he picked up, which I had never experienced before, speaking directly to a doctor on, a cold call. And he's warm, he's, welcoming. He made me feel extremely comfortable, and I trusted him immediately. And it didn't feel like he was selling me on something and overcharging me on something. It really felt like he cared and was trying to ask all the right questions to make sure that this was the right path for me and the right fit. And he's been, great ever since. The simple fact that I can wake up in the morning and immediately see has something that still doesn't go away, that joy. Sometimes it still hits me, and it's, been a few years later that I can wake up and just immediately see and, go swimming and not have to take my contacts out to do that, to, see underwater, or to not have to pack my glasses to do anything. So it really has been incredible. I have sent as many people as I can to Dr. Moskowitz. He really is an incredible doctor, not only with, the service that he provides in the LASIK, but also just how kind he is and how dedicated he is to getting you the proper care. Um, he always made sure that you were all right. And if there were ever issues, I knew I could call him and I'd get directly to his cell phone. I knew he'd pick up, and I knew, he would solve the problem if there was one. And he's just a great doctor, and I wish he did other things more than eyes, because I would go to him for anything else if I could.